Hello YouTube, just doing a quick unboxing. So let's okay. Oil pan gasket. So I'm going to change. The oil pan's a little wet around the oil pan, so I'm going to change the oil pan gasket. Just a basic oil pan gasket. My high performance spark. These, there are 2 packs of 4. They're by QYL. Really good quality spark plugs. High performance ignition coils. Been waiting for these to come in. They're about, I think, they said 20% more spark, or hotter spark than your stock ones. And they got a 10-year warranty on them. And I was going to go this route because I made up my mind with the Marquis. I'm going to eventually, the last thing I'll be putting on that car is probably some camshafts, something with a nice idle. So I'm definitely going to need some good spark plugs and some good ignition coils. So there they are. I'll put these on soon, as soon as I get the exhaust put on, and then we'll go from there. And that's it for our little late night unboxing. Until next time, I'll see you.